Welcome back, guys. I'm so excited to share this video with you. Imagine you making $300 per day. That is what I mean, per day. $300 per day. If you calculate that in Nigerian naira, if you go to black market for in Nigeria, that's whopping 240,000 naira per day. Yes, it's possible, guys. It's possible, guys. So if you are in Nigeria, or you're in Ghana, or you're anywhere in Africa, this is possible. Or you are an African living outside Nigeria, perhaps in UK or in US, and you're wondering what is the second job you can do that won't take your time. This is possible. Hello guys, welcome so much, welcome again. This is extra income, guys. I'm going to show you right now in this video how that will be possible. But before I go ahead, I would like you to please do me a very big favor. Show me a thumbs up, click this icon here, this bell. Please click it, subscribe to this channel if you're a new person coming to my channel for the first time. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys. You guys are the way I'm doing this, so please support us. We're into money making online. We teach you skills how to make money online. That's what we do here on Extra Income Group. We give you everything you need when it comes to money making online. Yes, you can see we provide our viewers with info on investment, how to earn extra income, how to develop our high income skills. When it comes to trading, we give you all of that. So that is all about Extra Income Group. Now let's get into the video details right now.
Gonna feed him if you're coming for me. Hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning,
Yes, guys, I'm going to show you a website right now. This website, pointedcopywriting.com. That is the skill you need to develop. We are in the digital era. You need to develop these skills. You have these skills, come to this website and they pay you. It's different from freelance. When you're a freelancer, in this case, you work for them and they pay you per hour. They pay you per hour. So this is what the website is all about. But I want to skip all the story and just go straight. I want to make this video short for you guys. I want to go straight to what to do when you come to this website. So once you get here, just click on join us. Can you see this? Join us. Once you click on join us, the website will take you to where exactly you need to go and what you need to do. Now I'm going to scroll down. Who they are, what they do. You can read all about that, guys. I will leave the link below so that you can actually read it more. If you have question for me, you can please put your comment below. Please share this video, guys. You won't know who you are helping. Please share this video. I'm going straight to where it matters. Look at this. Click here to apply. You understand? Click here to apply. That's where I'm going. Or you apply now. That's where I want to go to. You want to go straight to the website and see what is it can you do for you to earn 240,000 naira per day or $300 per day. What do you need to do? That is it. Now this is the website. View opening, your opening. You click on it. Now takes you straight to where I'm going through. You can see view our openings. Now what do they have? Simple. The only thing they do right here is called B2B content writer. B2B is business to business content writer. Business to business is known as B2B. So they need content writers who will write for other companies on behalf of their companies, and they employ you. They employ you to do this. Now, look at it. This is why I say no matter where you are worldwide, this is remote and it is worldwide. Anywhere you are in the world, you can actually do this job. Whether in Nigeria, in UK, in South Africa, in Ghana, in US, Canada, wherever you think you are, this job is actually for you. If you are working and you are looking for an alternative income earning, this is the website to go. If you are looking for second income, this is the website to go. Now you can see this is contract. Now look at where I'm going to. You can earn between 25, this is your salary, to $60 per hour. So imagine you working for 5 hours per day and earning $60. That is a whopping $300. Yeah. So let's go ahead. Click on apply now. Click on apply now. I want to show you further details on this website. Remember, I will leave the link below. Please subscribe to this website. Show me some love. Subscribe. I really need you guys to subscribe. Comment, give me a thumbs up, and share this video. You never know who you are helping. Share this video, guys. Share this video. Now, please read this. This is where I'm going to. This is where I'm going to. This is where I'm going to. Look at this B2B content writer, content writer on pointed copywriting. Location anywhere in the world. Please read this. Read this. Read this. Read this. You see this, guys? Location anywhere in the world. Type is either you do it part time and it's remote. You see, part time, they are not even looking for full time job. Part time, remote. Experience mid to advanced level. Wow, this is so good. Compensation, they even have additional compensation for you if you are working for them. That's $800 per month for 4 articles. You can write them 4 articles. $800 per month. Per month. This is simply the best to come. Now you'll be wondering, I'm not a content writer. How do I do this? That is what we do here at Extra Income Group. We teach you all these things. We teach you all of that. Now, I will leave a link to my store. I have a copywriting skills for you. You actually click link. It's highly affordable. It's one-time payment. If you're interested, please go to my store, Digital Hub 24. However, you can also go to Google. Come to Google. I've taken this course myself. Come to Google. This is where I'm coming to. Google skills. Yes, this is where you come to. You can see this Google Career Certificates. Google Career Certificate is called Grow with Google. Just go to grow.google. I'll leave the link below if you're interested in that too. Thank you so much. Just subscribe to my channel right now. Oluwa Sheung, Chris, I love you guys. Thank you for subscribing. I'm waiting for you guys to subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay, now go down here. This is where I'm going to earn a certificate in high growth career fields. See this, guys? It's time you learn these skills. This is what we teach right there. High income skills. You need to learn these skills. You need to learn these skills. Now look at the skills: data analytics, digital marketing and e-commerce, IT support, project management. But where it is of interest to me is digital marketing and e-commerce. Remember, you want to be a content writer for that website. So when you click on this, it takes you directly to the place. This is it. Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate. I'm actually taking this course. I'm taking it right now. Now, this job, this career, you don't need any experience. You can see this. And within 6 months, no degree or no experience required. No degree or no experience required. What do you now need? You need minimum of 6 months. You need to be an English speaking and writing, and you can actually understand basic English. Beginner level, no prior experience, 100% self. It is online. It is at your place. Now, one thing Google also does is that they match you up with people who are ready to pay you. Look at this. Build job ready skills by learning from the best. Uh, Entry level salary 51,000 US dollar. Look at this statement. 75% of Google certificate grades graduate report career improvement. Guys, please show me some love. I really did a whole serious research on this. Show me some love. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like, comment, share. Most importantly, subscribe. Thank you, subscribe. You do that, it will help the YouTube algorithm to help others who are searching for this kind of information. It's free, guys. You're not paying for this. Now, look at common job title. This one I'm going to digital marketer, marketing coordinator. This is where I am. I'm a marketing coordinator anyway. Search engine optimization specialist, paid search specialist, email marketing specialist, e-commerce associate, media planner. By the time you take this course, there's also content writing right there. Content writing. I've taken the course and I'm telling you, and of course it's not free. This is not free. You get the first 7 days free trial. Subsequently, I think I'm paying like $16. I pay $16 per month, $16 per month, and 6 months. And how much is that? That's like 40 something thousand naira in naira. If you're going to be using your naira card anyway, you don't need your dollar card. Since it's $16, 16 times 6 will give you $96. 96 GT right now is giving $490. That is 47,040 naira. You can imagine spending that to then end up at any $300 per day. $300 per day. Currently, that will give you like 240,000 naira. Guys, you need to apply for this, guys. You need to apply. So, guys, we have come to the end of the video. And go out right there, learn a skill. Please learn a skill. Stop complaining. Don't be lazy Nigerian youth like our dear president says. We are hardworking. And please come back to my website and my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up. You get notification whenever I upload a new video. I would love you guys to please subscribe to this channel, this extra income group NIG. We are right now 234 subscribers. I need 1,000 subscribers. Please, guys, the year is coming to an end. It is only you that can help me to do this. So I'll see you in our next video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. I love you guys. Mwah. Thank you for coming, for stopping